make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a lovely day today as always. Today is a very exciting video because I am coming at you with the entire LUSH range for Halloween. You heard that correct. So my amazing friend Ben tagged me on Instagram on a leaked image of all of the new LUSH Halloween goodies for 2020, and I am so excited to be going through with you. I'm so excited, I can't even talk English. I'm so excited to be sharing with you. I can't talk, what is wrong with me? Come on. I am so excited to be going through all of these items with you. I love Halloween, if you guys didn't know. Lord of Misrule is my OG absolute favourite thing ever, and yeah, I'm excited to see if it's coming back out this year. So without further ado, let's go through all the Halloween goodies for 2020. So the first bath bomb that's going to be released for 2020 is the LUSH Bat Art Bath Bomb, which is probably impossible to say 5 times fast because it's a bit of a tongue twister, but this one smells of a herbal blend of Sicilian lemon, green mandarin, rosemary and sage oils, and it also dissolves into a really pretty kind of purpley colour, which I'll also show you on the screen. So that's the first one. I am excited about that, although black bath bombs do scare me a little bit because I don't want to stain my skin or my bath black because it's just not a good look, you know. It does look cute. I probably will buy one, let's be honest, it's me. So the next item on the list is the LUSH Toffee Apple Lip Scrub. This looks amazing. It's like half and half, green and pink, and I can imagine that tastes absolutely incredible. Again, similar to all the other lip scrubs, it's jojoba oil and shea butter, so it's super moisturising. But yeah, I cannot wait to get this one. Definitely gonna get it. Looks amazing. 10 out of 10 LUSH. Very good job. The next bath bomb is one which is a return from last year and the year before and the year before and the year before, and that is Lord of Misrule bath bomb. This has been my favourite bath bomb for a very long time, and it's green on the outside and red in the middle, and it smells like vanilla, patchouli and black pepper, and it's so good. So yeah, definitely give this one a go if you haven't tried it. Again, I have tried it many a time, but I probably will be buying another one because I love it so much. So yeah, definitely get your hands on one Lord of Misrule. 100% would recommend. So good. Another return from last year and the year before, and probably the year before, that is the LUSH Monsters Ball Bath Bomb, and this one smells so good. It's amazing. It has the Collis scent, which is lime and neroli, so it's really uplifting, really fresh, and honestly makes the water look so good. So yeah, if you like fresh baths and kind of fruity scents and things, you will really enjoy this one. It's a definite yes from me, and I will definitely be buying it. Shock horror. Another return from last year is the LUSH Bewitched Bubble Bar, and again, this one, I have had it before. It does smell really good. I believe it's... what flavour is this? Flavour, as if I'm going to eat it. I mean, I probably would, to be fair. This one is bergamot, so I believe it's very similar to the Comforter. Is it? Is that what bergamot is? I can't remember now. Leave me a comment down below if you can remember what this smells like, because I honestly cannot remember for the life of me, and it's really annoying. Is it the Comforter? I can't remember. Let me know down below because that's going to bother me all day, I swear. Next is a shower gel, and this is the very frightening shower gel. It is yellow, obviously, and apparently this one smells of plantain extract, grapefruit, bergamot and almond essential oils with fresh lemon and fig juice. That sounds really good. I love fresh scents, so I think I will really enjoy it. As long as it doesn't smell like a car air freshener kind of lemon, I will definitely be up for that. So really looking forward to trying this one. Obviously I don't have prices for everything, but I imagine it's going to be your standard shower gel prices, but yeah, that sounds nice, so I can't really complain about that at all. Another return from last year is the Pumpkin Bath Bomb, and again, last year I also had trouble saying that for some reason. I don't know why, but it's just the weirdest name. Pumpkin, like hard to say, but this one's adorable. It looks like a little jack-o'-lantern for Halloween, obviously, and it is Sicilian lemon, green mandarin, sage and rosemary, super bright and vibrant in the bath, and it just smells really fresh again, so I can't complain about this one either. I had it last year and it just looks unbelievable in the water, so yeah, definitely recommend that one as well. If you've not tried it, give it a go. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Something a bit different this year, and that is the LUSH Boo Shower Slime. I don't think they had this out last year because I didn't buy it, and I feel like I probably would have bought it. But this is a black slime that smells of spiced vanilla, black pepper and patchouli which means it's going to smell like Lord of Misrule, so I'm going to have to buy it. Obviously this product is black, so it's going to leave a black kind of residue on your body and in your bath and whatnot. However, it's a sparkly slime that smells like Lord of Misrule, so I'm going to have to buy it. Let me know if you want to know my thoughts on it. I will probably put a little review up over on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on there, please do, because I put a lot on there, more so than Snapchat and Twitter and stuff. I kind of focus a lot on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, please do. But yes, I am definitely going to have to get that because that looks amazing and probably smells amazing, so 10 out of 10. Definitely a reoccurrence from last year. This is the Lush Ghost in the Dark soap. This one smells like citrus and lemongrass, so it's just a standard fresh lemony scent, but it glows in the dark. How cool is that? Obviously this did come out last year, so this isn't news to me, but I still can't get over the fact that Lush have made a soap that glows in the dark. Like, that's just insane, and I love that. And if you have children, or if you're 26 like me and love things like that, then you definitely need to get one because it just looks adorable and it glows in the dark. So love that. And lastly, moving on to the two gift sets. The first one is the smaller of the two, and this is the pumpkin gift set. And in this one you get the pumpkin bath bomb, the Bewitched bubble bar, and the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. So a really lovely gift. I don't know if any of you guys do like gifts on Halloween. I don't think we do in the UK. I mean, at least I don't anyway, but my friend's birthday's on Halloween, so if you guys know anyone that's birthday's on Halloween, maybe that would be a good gift, I don't know. And the last gift is the They Only Came Out at Night gift bag, which looks really, really cute. So this is in the shape of a bat, and it has like a handle on it. I mean, you guys can see from the picture, I guess you can kind of carry it like a bag rather than like a little knot wrap style situation. Inside this gift you have the very, very frightening shower gel in the 100ml size, Bewitched bubble bar, Bat Art bath bomb, and Monsters ball bath bomb. So a really nice mixture of things again, and if you know anyone that loves bats and Halloween themed things and their birthday is around Halloween, or you could sort of save it for a few months after, then I would definitely have a look at those because that one is really cute. And obviously they can keep the bag after, which is a 10 out of 10. So love that. So that is everything for the Lush Halloween range of 2020. And I can't believe that I'm filming a video about Halloween already. Like, I feel like this year's gone so quick. Obviously this year has not been great for a lot of people, so I do hope you guys have been staying safe and you guys are okay. My DMs on Instagram are always open, so feel free to message me over there. We can have a little chat. I do talk to you guys as much as I can, so it may take me a day or two to reply, but if you guys ever need to talk, I'm always here. My ears are open and my arms are open, hypothetically speaking. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know down below in the comments what you're most looking forward to for the Halloween range. I have to say the slime looks really interesting and I really want to like feel it and see what it's like, but obviously the bath bombs as well, it just all looks great this year, so I'm really, really excited to give everything a go. And obviously if I buy anything I will definitely do a haul video. So yeah, also if you aren't already, then please do subscribe as you are watching this video. 53% of you aren't subscribed to my channel, so please hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell, because honestly it would make my day and I upload as much as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously subscribe if you haven't already, leave me some requests down below and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!